Hey guys, it's Sean from iwashyoudry.com, and today I'm gonna show you how to transform chicken breast into the most tender and juicy chicken breast you've ever had in your entire life. Let's get going. Go ahead and grab 4 large chicken breasts, boneless and skinless, and lay them down on a sheet of parchment paper. Cover them up with another sheet of parchment paper and grab a heavy rolling pin or meat mallet and pound the chicken breasts to an even thickness. This is going to do 2 things. It's going to tenderize our chicken breasts while also giving them an even thickness so they can be extra juicy when they're cooked. Drizzle each of the chicken breasts with a little bit of olive oil. I like to use extra virgin olive oil, but any olive oil or even vegetable oil would work here as well. Make sure to wash your hands very well after touching raw chicken, so you don't spread any bacteria or salmonella. Let's go ahead and make the rub for our chicken. You'll need 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon parsley flakes, half a teaspoon of salt, as well as a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon garlic powder, and just 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Okay, now that we have our chicken breast nice and flattened and seasoned, we're gonna go ahead and pop this into the oven at a high temperature, and they don't take very long. Let's do this. Depending on the size of your chicken breast, it should only take about 20 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, look at how juicy those look already. Okay, the biggest tip I'm gonna give you guys, besides pounding your chicken thin, is to cover it with some tin foil and let it rest just nice and loosely for another 5 minutes. Thinking this is going to be pretty hot, so I'm going to move this over to the side. And now that our chicken has had a minute to rest, it should be nice and juicy. So let's just get this guy right here. I'm so excited. Okay, honestly, this baked chicken will go with just about anything. It's juicy, it's flavorful, it's got the perfect rub on it, and you're gonna love it. So, I'm just gonna grab one of these middle pieces here. So juicy. It's still a little hot. It is so good, you guys. I know you're gonna love this recipe. It's one of my most popular and favorited by you guys for a reason. So go ahead and give it a try. Let me know what you think, and I'll be back soon with more awesome recipes just for you.